Okay, here we are starting off going west on Ronald Reagan Boulevard in Georgetown, Texas. We are going to the Stone Oak Ranch RV Resort. It's a new resort that's just opened up here within the last year. I just found it driving around here a couple weeks ago, so I thought I would share this with my audience. Anyhow, this road is very close to Sun City. It's the west border of Sun City, which is a big retirement community here in Georgetown, Texas. We are pulling here now into the RV park. It has a lot of amenities. It has a clubhouse, free Wi-Fi, dog park, has shuffleboard, billiards, nature trails around it. They have a propane exchange, a great playscape, bocce ball, laundry facilities, swimming pool, pickleball courts, a business center, and a fitness center. There are a total of 229 RV sites, as well as several tiny home sites. I don't know if the tiny home sites are included in that 229 or not. They have 5 spots that you get to see here coming up on the left that have covered parking for the RV, which is something I haven't seen before. So that's something real interesting to check out. There are 17 golf courses nearby, as well as a lot of wineries. You are very near Inner Space Cavern, which was discovered when they built I-35. They started to dig the footing and they found the cavern underneath, and it's now a paid attraction in Georgetown. Georgetown's a great community. The downtown is known as I think it's the prettiest downtown in all of Texas, the prettiest town square. So here's the few tiny houses that they have built here. I don't know if they own those or if these are ones that people have had built and located there. As we make the turn around here, you will see up above where the swimming pool is, as well as the fitness center. That's up here on the right. And overall, this looks like a great place to come. There's been several new RV parks that have been built around this area, and I'm hoping to start documenting them and making videos available for those people who want to be close to Austin. This park itself is just 30 minutes north of Austin on 183, which is a toll road. This is close in Texas Hill Country, and just a great place to come and hang out. As I said, I have probably 8 different campgrounds around here that I'm going to make videos on and share with everyone. So trash, I don't know if that's a pickleball. I'm not sure what that is, but anyhow, I appreciate you coming along with me on this. I hope you enjoy my videos and what I've been doing. If you do, please like this and subscribe. And otherwise, we will talk to you later. Anyhow, thank you and have a great day. That's got to be laundry. Yep, someone's in there folding. This is a